Hey guys, welcome back to Central City Barbecue. I'm Pitmaster James Cruz. Remember last week I was telling you guys I was getting ready to go to Memphis in May, the World Barbecue Cooking Contest, otherwise known as the World Championship. Well, let's just go ahead and say the Team Bluff City Smokers featured Central City Barbecue. Right here, me and my guys came back a world champion. You guys check that out for a second. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I mean, just the idea to say a world champion in barbecue, that's just something cool to say, and I'm pretty proud of it. But while we're there was also a chicken wing contest. All the ancillaries are considered world championship. And myself, along with one of my best friends in the entire world, Charles Dabbs, follow him right there on social media, on Facebook. Dude, he's a great guy, really, really good barbecue cook. And he's one of my main guys at all these big contests. The dude can cook. So while we're there was a chicken wing contest. All the ancillaries counted as somewhat of a world championship. Well, me and Charles decided to enter it in the Frank's Red Hot Hot Wing Contest. We took second in the world in that category as well. Look at that. Well, today, I'm going to show you how we did it. It's actually really simple. I mean, it's something that you can make anytime at home. We kept it simple. And look, simplicity wins sometimes. So I've got about a dozen flats right here. That's what we turned in was flats. And I'm basically going to go through step by step of what we did to take second at this contest. So let me glove up real quick. The first season that went on is our Central City Barbecue All-Purpose. What's funny is there's a trend here. Central City Barbecue All-Purpose followed by the Champion Blend is the same combination we use on the ribs as well. So we're going to use it on the chicken wings. All-Purpose gives us some nice herbs, a little spice, a little salt. We have a nice little layer over the top. Nothing crazy. We're not cooking ribs, and it's not a long cook. Anytime you go fast, I like to go light. Okay? Follow that up with a little Champion Blend over the top of that. Not a whole lot of this, because it is sweet. Let's go over the top of this. Let's flip them over. Pat them down first. Let's flip them over. And I'm going to hit it with the all-purpose again on the back side. Okay? Right now, while I'm doing this, I've got that gateway fired up with a little bit of cherry wood inside of it. Got some hickory lump in there, a little cherry over the top. When you're cooking around 300 degrees, that's where that gateway loves, so why not, right? Hit the back side real quick. Okay. Followed by the Champion Blend again on the back. That's it. Pat them down. You guys know about cooler racks, so we get these guys in the cooler rack and get them on the smoker. Be right back. This gateway is humming along at 300. Got a nice smooth smell of that cherry wood. Check out these wings. They started sweating. That Champion Blend looks really, really nice across the top of them. Let's get this thing closed. I'm gonna let them go for about 30 minutes before I check them. Be right back. It's been 30 minutes. Look at these things right here. Great color. Let's take a temperature of them. All right, we're looking at 185, okay. We'll let them go about 10 more minutes. I want them to get them right over 190, and we'll take them out and sauce them. In the meantime, while the wings are coming up to about 190 to 195, we're gonna make a sauce. It's the exact same sauce we made in Memphis. While that rain's coming down now. So, super easy. Equal amounts of Central City Barbecue Sweet and Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing Sauce. So, about half a cup of Central City Barbecue Sweet. I'm gonna save a little bit extra for glazing, so I went a little over half a cup. And then the buffalo wing sauce. All right, we'll put that in here. Mix it together. And what you have is a nice lighter color red sauce. I don't know if you can see that right there. But when the wings come out, we're going to toss them in this, put them back on, let that sauce tighten up. We'll be right back. All right, guys, it's been 10 minutes. Look at these guys right here. They're ready to jump into the sauce pool. That temperature is around 197. Let's pull them off, sauce them up. We'll be right back. These wings are looking good and smelling good. They're almost ready to eat now. Look at them. That season is actually cooked on it really, really nice. So that means that sauce is getting really coated. Let's drop them in real fast. They're a little hot, but that's okay though. We have barbecue hands. Move them in real fast. Woo. All I'm gonna do is toss them. Flip them, toss them. See that? They're all nice and coated. I want them to look like this right here. Basically, they're a barbecue version of a buffalo sauce. So now we're gonna take them up, put them back on the cooler rack. I'm sure the next step after that. Take these gloves off for a second. One last step. before we put it back on the smoker. Central City Barbecue all-purpose. I'm gonna go like nice little dusting over the top of it. This is a finishing dust. Right over the top of all 12 of them. Things looking nice. It's a little windy in here with that rain. That's okay. Hey guys, we're about to get them on the smoker, but before we do, check these things out real quick. All right, the wings are going back on for about 5 minutes. I'm letting the sauce tighten up on them. But look at these guys. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add one more final step, take them off and eat them. And the last step, that remaining sweet sauce, let's glaze them real quick. Nice little coating. That's all we need to do, a nice little coating. I'm gonna get these glazed up, let them sit on for about 2 more minutes. We're gonna take them off. Be right back. These guys are ready to come off. Let's eat. I don't know about you, but wings are one of my favorite things to eat. Just check these guys out right here. That sauce is just glazed on there. All purpose at the top. It gives a nice little texture, a little pop at the end. Hey, I'm gonna try one of these guys out right now. This right here looks good. They're still hot. It's perfectly cooked. Nice little cherry smoke on them. Man. I'm gonna finish eating this one and I'll be right back. Man, that wing was amazing. Now I see why the judges scored them the way they did. Look, they're super easy. You can make these championship wings at home. All I did was start with some wing flats, dust them with my Central City Barbecue all-purpose, followed by the champion blend, let it sit on it for a minute, threw them on the gateway smoker at 300 for about 30 minutes. They're around 180, 185. Let's go about another 10 minutes. Let's get to about 185 or so. Pulled them off. We made a sauce, equal amounts of Central City Barbecue sweet sauce, or you could use your favorite barbecue sauce, with some Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. Mix that together, toss them in there, put them on the rack, top them with a little bit more Central City Barbecue all-purpose, put them back on for 5 minutes, glaze them with some remaining barbecue sauce. Boom, there you have it right there. That is a great wing. It's a championship wing. I'll tell you one thing, that Central City Barbecue all-purpose and that champion blend is a great combination. Just like these two guys right here. Hey guys, thank you for watching this week. I really do enjoy doing these videos for you guys. I'm still excited over that big World Championship win in Memphis in May and this wing win while we're there. Hey guys, follow the restaurant on social media on Facebook and on Instagram. Follow myself on Facebook and on Instagram. Follow Charles Dabbs on Facebook. I mean, he's a good follow. He's a really good cook, really good guy. Tell him I said hi. See you guys next week.